This video is brought to you by Alpine Academy. Subject Biology, Class 2nd Year, Sindh Textbook Board, Jamshoro. Here is the textbook of Biology, Class 2nd Year, Sindh Textbook Board, Jamshoro.
Now we are moving towards our next chapter, chapter number 2, support and movement. First we will discuss botany part just like in previous chapter, and then we will discuss our zoology part. Contents of this chapter are support in plant, types of supporting cells and their details, growth in plant body, secondary tissues, heartwood and sapwood, significance of secondary tissue, movement in plants, types of movement in plants, and the last topic is role of growth substance in plant.